Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, updated WhatsApp and system fingerprint set. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings Account Privacy. Once there, tap Fingerprint Lock or Screen Lock. You need your phone unlocked and the fingerprint sensor active. This ties WhatsApp access to your enrolled biometrics. Make sure app permissions for biometrics are granted. Once you see the toggle, don't enable yet. First, verify your enrolled fingerprints in phone settings so enrollment matches the Now enable the feature. Flip the fingerprint lock toggle in privacy. When prompted, authenticate using the finger you enrolled earlier. This registers WhatsApp's biometric permission without re-enrolling your finger. Next, choose an auto-lock interval. Pick immediately for max security or 1 minute for convenience. Make sure use biometrics or confirm with passcode is accepted by the OS prompt. If you use multiple fingers, test each briefly. Once confirmed, exit settings and lock the app to verify the new lock engages. Finish by testing. Lock WhatsApp or switch apps, then reopen to trigger the fingerprint prompt. You should see a biometric dialog and unlock on a successful scan. If it fails, first clean the sensor and your finger, then retry. Many errors are contact-related. If problems persist, disable the WhatsApp fingerprint toggle, reboot the phone, verify OS fingerprint list, then re-enable the lock. This resets the permission handshake and resolves mismatched enrollment issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.